kitchen. My name is Rhonda. If this is the first time you are dropping in, hanging out with us, and my hubby Russell is behind the camera there.
Hey y'all.
Hey y'all. He is my faithful companion. He's my sous chef. He's done chopped some vegetables, as well as the taste tester. So he has many hats.
Yeah.
Many hats. All right, y'all. Today it is hotter than Satan's breath outside, I'm telling you. And we ain't about to be trying to cook inside, heat the house up. So we are going to cook some sausages on our grill. We got us some beautiful little sausages here. James Russell has cut us some vegetables up. The only thing I'm doing here, y'all, I'm going to shred some cheese real quick. Y'all know I do like my little doodad here. I'm going to move this before I throw all them beautiful vegetables on the floor. We don't want that, do we?
No, we do not.
That was some hard work, wasn't it, Russell?
Yeah, when you ain't really used to doing all that chopping. Yeah, it's
He's learning all kind of good stuff, y'all.
Well, y'all, here's the thing. I've been trying to
He's helping me.
Yeah, and staying busy around the house.
He is. He's been helping.
She enjoyed the sausages I whipped up
a
couple weeks ago. So we're going to give that a go again tonight and record it for y'all. See how that turns out.
Yep. We said let's just do something quick tonight. It's like I said, it is hot. We ain't trying to heat the house up and do all those things. And this sausage hoagie, whatever you want to say, peppers and onions and all that, it was delicious. So we are going to kind of tag team it today. He's going to cook the sausages on the grill. I'll be mixing up all the vegetables. So y'all come along for this simple supper.
Yeah, it is. Yep. All right, y'all, we're about to get these sausages on. We've been cooking a good bit out here on the new grill, and a couple weeks ago I whipped up some of these and we liked it, so we're gonna give it another try. Anyway, I preheated the grill a little bit, and we're gonna get these sausages going. All right, y'all, we got these sausages on. Special shout out to Monument Grills. We appreciate their support and for hooking us up with this cool grill. We've been using it a lot, and I'm gonna turn things over to the one who's really supposed to be doing all this cooking. I'm out of my element doing this, but we're about to switch sides.
I gotta get them vegetables cooking.
Yeah, let's get them fired up.
Vegetables. Ooh, like magic.
Oh yeah. She's fired up.
She's fired up, ready to go, y'all. I've got just a little pat of butter in here, about 2 tablespoons. And I'm going to add some vegetable oil in here. Or not vegetable oil. I'm adding some olive oil in there. So that butter doesn't just burn up, sizzle up. And let this get hot. It doesn't take but a minute on here, I'm telling you what.
It cooks quick.
It cooks quick. That butter's already, y'all, ready for it.
Sizzle, I hear it.
She's ready for it. All right, I've got peppers and onions and all this good stuff. A little jalapeno in here, chopped up. Russ he's been busy working, y'all. And I'm gonna have extra. We're not gonna have probably all this, but I love grilled vegetables on just about anything. So, I'm going to let these cook for just a minute. Now, I'm going to put just a little Crazy James seasoning salt on it. And, you just flavor, season yours up any way you like it. This has already got the garlic powder, onion powder, all those things in it.
And y'all, we couldn't find it in the grocery store, so I ordered it on Amazon.
He ordered it. He ordered it.
It's very good. I'll link it in the description if you want to give it a try. It's got everything you really want in it.
It is, and I'm gonna tell you what it's good on. A good old fresh tomato, y'all. It is delicious. But it's got salt, onion, black pepper, garlic, celery seed, thyme, and oregano in it. That's what it is. So you want to make up your own or do whatever. I'm telling you, it is some good stuff. But I'm just going to let this cook down just a little bit because I've got a little mushrooms to go in it, some freshly minced garlic, and y'all know I wait just a little bit for that garlic to go in to give us that full flavor. We don't want that garlic to burn. So, we want to live its best life.
That's right.
So I'm just going to let these simmer. Y'all, this is just a super quick supper, and it is so good. The only thing I've got to do now is toast some buns when this is ready, and throw some cheese on it, and I like to toast it just a little bit so it gets all happy, and we've got supper. Alright, these have been cooking, y'all, for about 4 or 5 minutes. They're getting tender, so I'm going to go ahead and dump my little mushrooms in there. Get them a going. And I'm going to give them a little seasoning too. Because we don't want them feeling left out, do we?
No, we do not.
I like to season stuff up.
Can't leave them out in the cold.
No. Give them some love. Gotta give them some love. And I'm just going to... Mushrooms cook really quick, as y'all know. So, I'm going to go ahead and dump my little garlic in there. Now that's spice. That's what I do. That's what I do best. Dump me a little garlic. Let that get...
I can't tell y'all how good that smells.
Oh, it does.
Our neighbor's going to be like, what in the world are they cooking?
What are they doing over there now?
Yeah.
Normally it's the smokers smoking up the whole neighborhood. You smelling all that good stuff.
We've been cooking outside a lot lately, y'all.
We really have. Pulled up in driveway the other day coming home from work and opened my front door, my side door of my car, and I said, "Lord, I smell it out here in the front yard." He had it smelling good. Look how good this is already looking, y'all. Just delicious. This doesn't take long at all. Yummy. I think the vegetables is going to beat the sausage there.
All right, y'all. I spun these sausages around. I'm just cooking on one burner. Ain't no need to burn all that propane. Just cooking a little bit of sausage. So it's time to give them a flip, y'all. Let's see what they look like. They're looking pretty good so far.
Looking good.
I love them grill marks on
Yeah.
just about anything. Steaks or hamburgers or whatever. It's just always makes it look good with them grill marks on
It
there.
really does.
All right, y'all. That took like maybe 6 minutes, 7 minutes.
It's been
Quick. It's quick.
We won't be out here in this heat too long.
No, we won't.
All right, y'all. These are ready. Look at the goodness.
The veggies.
The veggies, the fresh vegetables.
Delicious, y'all. Man. I can't
So
tell y'all how
good.
good that smells.
So good. You got fresh peppers coming out your garden, honey.
Yeah.
Treat yourself.
Yeah.
Treat yourself.
All right, y'all. These bad boys are done. We have been going probably 10 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Some goodness right there.
Yes, it is.
All right, y'all. These are done. Just gonna build one of these up for you. Look at that goodness. Good Lord.
Man, what?
Goodness. Okay. Now, that's already good, but we about to step it up.
Go to the next level.
Just another level, yep. Got to have some cheese now. Yeah, got to have some cheese. All right, I'm going to zap this, y'all, with my little toaster oven. And
We'll give you another shot of what it
we'll
looks
give
like.
you another little shot of the finished look. And then Russell's going to taste it. All right, y'all. Ready for that little toaster oven.
Man, that looks good.
Yummy, yummy. It's about to be good. We are hungry. We're ready for it. All right, y'all. This is what she looks like. Finished product. Got that cheese just melted on there. Just laid up there doing the backstroke over all those good old vegetables. You ready to taste this, Russell?
I'm ready.
All right, let's do it. All right, y'all, it is that time. It's tasting time. Come on, Russell. You worked so hard for this one.
I did, y'all.
He's sweating. He's worked hard.
Look at here. I'm sorry about the get up, but
It's okay.
it's hot out there and fat people sweat, so.
We're just a little fluffy,
Yeah.
so those kind of things happen.
Yeah, fluffy size and 100 degrees don't go well together.
don't
We'd
mix.
rather warm it up out there
Yes.
than get the whole house hot.
Now
Coming
we're
in
in
here,
here cooling
yeah,
off.
now we can cool
so-
off and don't have to worry about heating the
Yes.
kitchen up and all that. So.
All that goodness. All
Yeah.
right.
You go ahead.
Here's what I've already
Wait.
tasted it.
Wait. Y'all know that the one who does the cooking don't do the tasting in this scenario, so I'm gonna let you do the honors to.
All right. Let's go. Let's do it.
Yeah, do
I've
it.
already tasted it though, and it is good. You
Yeah.
ain't gonna taste it.
I'm gonna taste it after you. Yeah.
He just wanted me to
I want
make
her
a mess. He
No,
wanted me to
no.
drop all the stuff out.
Yeah.
Or you was gonna finish it off one. So good. Good. Delicious, y'all.
Very, very good.
Quick. That took us all of 15 minutes
Yeah.
at the most. We got us something good. You can put anything beside it.
Yep.
Um,
Don't need nothing beside it.
It don't need nothing inside it. That's plenty. You got your vegetables, your bread, your meat, your cheese, your dairy, all that goodness.
It's very good, y'all. Very good.
Delicious. So, simple supper, y'all. If you don't want to heat your house up and you got a grill. Now, you can also do these in the oven or in the frying pan or whatever. And they are just delicious.
Yeah.
Anyway, just something quick. We thought we'd show you what we were doing tonight.
Yeah, what we having for supper? We've been using that grill. I'm gonna tell you, we've been cooking on it a good bit. So.
We have. All right, y'all. Till next time.